Want to become a certified Microsoft Azure security engineer and master the art of securing cloud workloads? Whether you are a security professional, cloud architect, or IT learner, this course is your launchpad to success. I am Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across Microsoft, AWS, Oracle, and Google. From securing identities and networks to protecting workloads and responding to threats, you will gain the skills to design, implement, and manage robust security solutions across Azure's ecosystem, all aligned with Zero Trust principles. Let's turn your Azure security skills into certification and your certification into career-defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.